NVTS stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, as the only person in the stock trading space, having done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documenting everything and what's working and what's making money, I'm here to tell you that, yes, beforehand I called out from $5 to 7.5. There was like a very nice delivery. And then I had this prediction that was made yesterday, before market, right? 21st of July. It was made like 19 hours ago. You could see it was 5:50 a.m. at the time of making this upload and video. And pre-market was already like 7:13. And boom, it absolutely just demolished the highs. My bias was so on point here. Honestly speaking, after a delivery like this, the only thing that I'm looking to kind of do in this sense is the price to pull down and give me a shift and a double break. And if I don't see that happening, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to buy. I mean, like, genuinely speaking. So that's the confirmation. Here is the top. And if rules are not met, bro, then I'm not going to be forcing no buys here. I mean, I'm very open-minded for doubling down and hopefully buying, but it must give me this double break confirmation. And if it doesn't, then I'm not buying. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description.